Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the last week of May in my social media planner, the 22nd through the 28th. I'm going to be using this kit, this mini Happy Planner dashboard kit by ReddHeadStickers. Technically, like I said, mini Happy Planner dashboard, but it will work in this spread as well. But to help it along, I'm also pulling Knitter's Dreams, some of the boxes from here because they go with the colors really well. So that is what we're going with. I probably will also pull from my reusable sticker book because I do have some ReddHead stickers, quite a few of them actually, that I can use for this spread as well. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump in to the spread. Alright you guys, this is going to be one of the last spreads that I do that is not ocean themed, so prepare for the next few months to just be all beach and summer and fun and all things hot. If you know that reference, then we are Disney friends. But basically, this is going to be the last spread that I do that's not summer themed because the next week's spread, which is going to be the 28th through, I believe it's the 5th? The 4th. Probably it's the 4th. Anyway, that is the week before I go on my cruise. I'm so excited. We literally just booked it today. I know, it's like literally so close, but we had to wait for a few things to fall into place before we could, and we are very excited. We're going on a cruise, and it's going to be so exciting and so fun. I am ready, and enough talking. We're going to go ahead and put these down. The first thing I'm going to do is white out the dates that I have on here already because these are a little bit too small for this. And I used to use a mini Happy Planner dashboard layout for my social media back when I was first on ReddHeadStickers PR, and I still am on her PR. But I use these kits a lot, and I got this one and this because I thought it would be perfect because it still works with the regular dashboard layout. It's just a little smaller, which is a-okay with me. So, enough talking. I'm going to put the date covers on here, and I also need to put the dates. So, let me grab my date covers. Okay, finally got that done. It took me a little bit. I don't know why, but it took me forever. So now I'm going to do, I think we're going to use this washi. And just going to put it right here. Just like this. I think I might do the same thing at the bottom. So now this is going to be where I put my, oh my gosh, what is it? Pods. No, not pods. Simply Sweetly Crafty. Words are hard today, you guys. I've just been so excited that we finally booked our cruise that my brain is just not working. So I'm going to use this Monday through Sunday sticker, and then we're going to use the this week. And I'm going to put it right here for our Simply Sweetly Crafty posts. And then I think we're going to come to this side, and I'm going to use this big box, and I'm just going to completely cover this. And also, you know what? I'm going to cover this too. Okay. I do need to wipe this out. Oh my gosh, I laid it down crooked. Are we surprised? Probably not. I ripped it a little bit. That's okay. No one will know. It'll be fine. I do need to white these bullets out, since I will not be using that. let's see. I'm thinking of putting this one right here, but then I might lose that spot. So we're going to just put it right next to. And I'm going to use, let me backtrack here. I have some habit trackers for my Instagram pods that are also from ReddHeadStickers, but they are not from this kit. This is not the same color green, but I think it'll work. And then I'm going to put probably this pink one, maybe this blue. I'm going to do the blue. Oh my gosh. There we go. And this is where I'm going to write, actually, I think we're going to double the box. We're going to use both. And this is where I'm going to write Instagram pods. And that way, I use that sticker. And I think what I want to do now is I need a title for my boxes here. Okay, so I have some ReddHeadStickers film and edit boxes, and I don't have the boxes on here, are just a little too small, which is okay because I do have some extras from that sticker book that I showed you, my reusable sticker book. Okay, so I'm going to do this one here as my lists. Okay. I'm going to make, and I know this is weird, but I think this is going to be my filming list since I'm going to have a little bit more to film than edit. So I'm going to put here for edit and for filming. And then let's go to this side. Maybe I should put this last box in here though. I think I will. Okay. That side is good for now. I want to move to this side and work on boxes, which is why I grabbed these. So we have, actually, let me make sure we have $2 Tuesday. Do have $2 Tuesdays and new releases. So I'm going to grab this $2 Tuesday script. And I think to tie in this other box, we're going to use this one. And I'm not going to be using all of these because I do want to keep this for the Knitter Stream kit that I have. But I do need to have some boxes in here. So that is my point of doing this. And I'm going to do this box for new releases. So I'm going to grab, come on. And $2 Tuesday is not just ReddHeadStickers. It is also Right Place Plans, which I'm also on a PR for. So $2 Tuesday, we're going to put that there. Friday is new releases. Cool. And then we're gonna do some deco. I was trying to find it. And I think I'm just gonna put them somewhere and just kind of like play around with it and see how I like it. I think that's my goal for here. everyone, that is it for this week in my social media using pretty much all of the happiness kit by ReddHeadStickers. And like I said, this is from the mini happy planner dashboard. I will put the rest of these in my reusable sticker book because I don't need them, but I absolutely love this spread. I think it is super, super cute, and I am so happy with the way it turned out. If you are new here or you like what you see, don't forget to check out the description box. There are a lot of different playlists related to not only just planner related videos, but other crafting content as well, from art prop journal books to polymer clay, planner videos of different kinds, from dashboard if you guys are interested in seeing how to decorate a dashboard layout. Tons of that in my social media playlist. I have a finance playlist, catch-all, regular plan with me, lots of different planner content for you to browse and get inspired from. If you want to save 15% off of your order from ReddHeadStickers, you can use my code Megan and you'll save 15% off and get my beautiful freebie. This is just amazing. I love the spring colors, and I love, love, love little Phoebe taking a photo there. It is my favorite. Once again, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you love ReddHeadStickers stickers just as much as I do, and maybe you found a new shop to like. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!